Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about my joystick problem on my New Holland Workmaster 25S subcompact tractor, the bucket loader. It's got 4-wheel and it's been great. It's a 2001, 83 hours. I was doing some stuff the other day. As you can see, it's got a 4-position joystick. To the left, bucket curl up. To the right, bucket curl down. I did some bucket curling, moving some dirt, and then I was like, wow, what happened? So I don't know what happened. Well, I pulled the boot. I looked under here. Everything looks good, so I got on a tractor forum, and a guy said, take that apart and look inside. There might be a loose bolt. So we're gonna do just that. First, I'm gonna take off this handle here, slide the boot off. Off. Doesn't need to come off, but now we're gonna take off this little side panel here. 3 screws. It looks to be 3 screws. I hope it's 3 screws. Got a little pile of parts down here. Okay, don't break it. When you know how to take it apart, it's much easier than learning how to take it apart your first time. Wants to come apart, maybe. Okay, had to fight it a bit. So you can see this is the joystick stay put switch, you might call it. So you might wonder what's inside here. I know I have. Check it out. It's called the besko one-handle joystick, and it's got a part number. It's kind of hidden behind this metal hydraulic line. So it's whatever's inside here, hopefully. Now looks like it's going to take some Allen heads. We're going to take off the joystick mount, and we'll get this figured out. I'd like to mount the camera straight for everybody, or nobody, anyone who might be watching. I grabbed some popular sizes. That's not one of them. Interesting, this only has 3 Allen head bolts, but not 4, just 3. None of those are the right size so far. Let's try this one. That one was too small. Tried to grab a bunch of tools so I wouldn't have to go back and forth. Oh, come on, baby. Alright, this cable is going to have to move. It's going to be super annoying. So when I take something apart, I like to return most of the parts to where they were at. So we'll do that. Let's see if it's a 10 millimeter. Oh yes. Okay, this is my throttle cable. I'm just gonna move this out of the way. There we go. Way easier. Okay. Look at how the boot, it's just zip tied into place. So that'll be easy. I could probably just cut that zip tie. Oh, it's zip tied at the bottom and the top. Well, okay, a New Holland. I'm not opposed to that. Except I didn't bring my handy zip tie cutter. I'll be right back. Alright, we're just going to cut these zip ties right now. Don't cut the boot. Okay, 1, 2, I even brought some zip ties with me. Alright, I'm learning stuff already. Okay, I didn't want to, apparently I don't have the right Allen wrench on hand, so why take something apart if you don't have to? Ooh, grease. Okay. Kind of break the seal on this without Okay, so I've already hit this whole area with my leaf blower. Ooh, look at that. So, I took the boot off, right? What do we see? What's not working? Oh, look back here. I'm seeing a broken part. Check it out. Okay. What do you think the dealer would charge me to tell them, hey, fix my tractor? And all they had to do was take this apart and find that one of these little, whatever you want to call it, is broken. F word. Well, I'm so happy. That's a pretty simple fix. You can see the broken part in there. And I guess it's time to take it down a little further and figure out if these things screw off and on, and I will be finding one, and this is how things get fixed. You take it apart, figure it out, and now find a part and figure out how to put it back together. So the mystery is revealed and solved, and thank you for watching.